Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux comparisons and tech guides. Today, we're comparing Fedora Silverblue and Fedora Workstation, so you can decide which one is best for you in 2026. Let's break it down. First, what they are. Fedora Workstation is the traditional desktop version, stable, flexible, and ideal for everyday use. Fedora Silverblue is an immutable desktop OS, meaning the core system never changes and updates are applied atomically. System updates and stability. Silverblue uses an atomic update model. Updates are applied all at once, and if something breaks, you can easily roll back to a previous state. This makes it very stable and safe. Workstation uses the traditional update model, flexible but more prone to occasional broken updates. Winner for update safety, Silverblue. Software installation. Workstation installs software the traditional way using DNF, Flatpak, and other package managers. Silverblue relies mainly on Flatpaks and container-based tools like Podman and Toolbox. You don't install apps on the base system, you run them in containers. Winner for simplicity, Silverblue. Winner for flexibility, Workstation. Use case and target audience. Workstation is ideal for regular users, developers, and gamers who want straightforward installation and access to lots of packages. Silverblue is ideal for developers, power users, and anyone concerned about system integrity because everything runs isolated from the base OS. Winner for general users, Workstation. Winner for developers or advanced users, Silverblue. Final verdict in 2026. Choose Fedora Workstation if you want a traditional, flexible desktop with easy software management. Choose Fedora Silverblue if you want maximum stability, rollback safety, and container-centric workflows for development. Pro tip: if you're unsure, try Silverblue in a virtual machine first. It gives you a feel for its model without affecting your main system. That's it. Which one will you choose? Comment below, Workstation or Silverblue. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Linux content. Rock it!